Shalom, hovering, shalom, hovering, shalom.
Welcome to my home. I'm Cal. And I'm Karishma. And we're the Corderos. This is MTV's Hottest Cribs. Oh God, featuring my sister and my dog. So as we know, we are in this kitchen, this fabulous kitchen with the nice granite. Yeah, nice granite. And my lovely German Shepherd dog.
Aww.
Now, as you can see, we're going to learn about microwaves today. There's lots of household uses. For example, heating up this spaghetti and meatballs. All you have to do is open your microwave oven, put it in, click the time. I'm going to say 5 seconds. That's not a long time, but you get the purpose. And we watch the oven baking, the microwave baking. Oh, it's finished, and we have hot food.
Microwaves. Their frequency is 1.6 to 30 gigahertz.
The wavelength is 0.180 to 0.0110 meters, as you can see.
Oh, hello. Sorry, didn't see you there. So today we're going to be learning about Percy Spencer. Percy Spencer is one of the most prominent men in all of human history. You see, Percy Spencer invented the microwave. Now, it all started in June of 1945. The Second World War was raging over all of Britain. The British people were in need of a new technology to fight the submarines that sunk their ships. Thus came in the radar. But, unfortunately, Percy Spencer's radar technology was slightly flawed, mostly because it sucked. Now, his technology instead sent out such strong waves of heat that it actually melted a piece of chocolate in his pocket. Now, this chocolate melting gave him a new idea, and he brought his microwave oven to the commercial market in 1947, and thus the rest is history. Microwaves. Microwaves have many uses. They can be used in mobile phones to send information inside the microwaves.
They can also be used to cook food.
That's a household use. Just as microwaves sending information on phones are worldwide uses. A scientific use of microwaves would be their use in radars. Radars that planes and boats use. Microwaves also have medical purposes.
They treat cancerous cells by shrinking and eliminating them.
Vinny, microwaves are just so interesting, you know? So many interesting facts
They're
and
just
purposes.
so fascinating, you know?
Right? Except for radar guns. That's one of the fun facts. You see, kids got a speeding ticket in the mail today.
You should never
And
speed.
don't speed. It's not good for you. Anyway, cops use radar guns, and microwave waves are used in that to get the car and get them a speeding ticket with microwave waves. So, don't speed. Okay.
Because microwaves will catch it. Yeah.
Alrighty, the second interesting fact, Vinny, why don't you tell me about it?
Well, short radio waves that travel in an invisible circle is actually what microwaves are. So
Oh.
it's just comes into circles. They're everywhere. You
Big
just can't
circle.
see them.
It's a big circle.
Yeah.
Alrighty, and then the third fact is that, follow me, they can pass through glass, plastic, and rubber. So see this glass? It's going through it right now. I don't even know it. It's stick it in here. The microwave just goes right through it. And then it can go through plastic as well, which I have here. And this plastic Spring Creek barbecue cup still can go through as I stick it in the microwave. Actually, don't put plastic in the microwave because it's just not good. Alright, we can get cancer from it. Okay, so, and then our other interesting facts is that they can pass through haze, what else, Vinny?
And smoke.
And clouds, and you know, I think it,
Like
let's
rain.
go outside right now. Why don't you follow me this way, Zane? You know, we've got some pretty nasty weather outside as we exit my home. I mean, look at this. Look at this weather out here, man. My news lady or what? I'm going to get out in this gruesome weather. Oh, wet socks, not a good idea, but It's going through this right now. My feet are really wet.
A lot of trainers or nah? Okay.
It's really cold. But you get the point. Now I'm gonna take my socks off because what socks weren't a good idea. Alrighty.
That's right.
And now our final and last fact is that microwaves are good from transmitting info from one place. So this microwave oven with microwave waves, it can transmit stuff. Oh, would you look at that? Vinny got
some information.
She just got an update on Twitter. All from the beloved microwave. Thank you, kids, for learning about the interesting facts today.
And that's
Stay in school. All right. Hello, and welcome back to my home. As I am here with you guys, I'm going to teach you how to solve equations from microwave wavelengths. So, I already have the problem written down. So, we have a certain microwave oven has a wavelength of 0.032 meters. Calculate the frequency of the microwave. So first, this is our equation. So this is C equals lambda times velocity. So we're given the 0.032 meters. And then when you put this in your calculator in scientific notation, you're going to get 3.00 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. Be sure to convert that when you solve. And then you're going to multiply to get your velocity. And your velocity for this in our electricity wavelength band is going to be V equals 9.375 times 10 to the 9th power. And make sure it's in hertz. Alrighty, and our next equation I also have written down. Now this is a long one, so bear with me, kids. Alrighty, so the problem is microwave ovens emit microwave energy with a wavelength of 0.0129 meters. What is the energy of exactly one photon of this microwave radiation? So first, we're going to solve, and these are the two equations that you're going to use. So you're going to use the other one like we used last time, so C equals lambda times velocity, and then you're going to use E equals hertz times velocity because it's asking for the energy. So, and then this is going to be times Planck's constant, which is the frequency of hertz. So, and that equals your velocity, so you're going to get 2,324,031 8 hertz. And so once you get that, you're not done yet because now you have to use the second equation like I just said we used earlier. So you're going to do E equals the 2,324,031 8 hertz times 6.626 times 10 to the negative 31 because that's Planck's constant. So then you're going to get E equals 1.539902046 times 10 to the negative 24th joules per second. And then once you get that, you're going to go ahead and plug that into your calculator, and you're going to want that in scientific notation in sig figs. So you're going to get your energy equals 1.54 times 10 to the negative 24th joules. And then that's the sig figs. So that's the whole equation. Thank you for tuning in. And I forgot one extra household and company. Why don't you follow me in here? This can also dry your dog. So as you can see, we can just stick my dog in the microwave. I'm kidding, kids. Don't try that at home.
Especially you, Darren.
Stop it.